Where is a life that is extraordinary? When will that amazing moment come to your life? This video will give an answer to these questions. It will show you that it is nothing other than your ordinary life that is always already extraordinary. In other words, the amazing, extraordinary moment is always already happening in your ordinary life. Let's do meditate on infinite life. As you do this, it's very important that you are feeling comfortable and relaxed. You can stand, sit, or find any position you like. Did you find your position? Is it comfortable? Good. Keep breathing deep and nice. As your breathing stabilizes, let us take a journey to the extraordinary aspect of your ordinary life. Now, if you can, place the palm of your left hand on your heart. Let's take a few moments of silence. Keep your hand there and feel it. You don't need to try to analyze what you feel. Just be open to what you feel. What do you feel now? You feel your heart is beating. You are a proof of your life, but you are not a cause of your life. When did your life start? What if, in fact, your true life has no beginning and no end? Does that mean your true life is eternal? If so, in what sense? Let's be concrete. You have your biological parents. So, did you need only two people for you to be born? Not quite. Your parents also needed their parents to be born, and your grandparents also had their parents. As you trace the origin of your life, it gets proliferating backwards from the present to the infinite past. This is a beginning of your journey to infinity. If you further trace and count 10 generations back, you will meet 1024 ancestors. Each of them has their stories as you have your own story. Tracing 25 generations, you already meet more than 33 million ancestors. How many of these innumerable lives were there for you to be born? That is, infinite lives. As soon as you are, there must be this infinity of lives. You are at the forefront of the infinite lives. You are an aspect of this infinity. You are the infinite even before you were born. Notice, if even just one link of your ancestral relationship were missing, if only one link of your 33 million and more ancestors were missing, then you would not have been born. How extraordinary your ordinary life is. Come home to a hand placed on your heart and stay. Feel it. You feel your heart is beating. You feel you're alive. Your life, that is something you think as ordinary, is always already extraordinary.